Hello everyone! Nandito na kami sa Warren Resort. Guys, as you can see, it's very beautiful here. Kitang-kita yung ano. Magandang view ng mga kabundukan. Magitna ka, baka mahulog ka sa bangin. It's so mabangin here, matarik. See guys, matarik. See? There. Going down there. See? It's very nice in here. So this resort have a, what do you call this, function hall, and they have a like hotel or accommodation. Yeah, see there, accommodation or hotel in here. The construction still ongoing in here. Look, take. Oh my god, I'm low-cut. See? See na nga guys, palusong siya. See, makikita mo yung nature. Napakaganda. Oh my gosh. Ang layo na nila mother. So, ayan. So, yan na guys. Maririnig nyo yung ano, yung agos ng tubig. Kasi meron siyang river dyan sa tabi. Meron siyang river. Ayan. So, yung papaliguan namin is a running water. Galing siya sa river. Dyan banda. Tapos diretso dun sa papaliguan namin. Okay? Parang ang saya-saya. Wow! Ang simoy ng hangin ay kakaiba. It's so refreshing. It's very fresh. And guys, may mga saging dyan. There's a banana. You see the heart? The heart of the banana. The bananas and pajamas. Wow, we are very near to the swimming pool. It's simple, but you know, masarap ang hangin dito. Yan, sobrang layo. Hi guys, say hi. Pagod na yarn. Ayan, yung mga ilaw dito ay naka-solar. May mga solar panel. The Nipa Huts. Meron na naman silang stage. Ayan. So may mga lalaki dito, char.
Nauna ako ah.
Bye! Okay. So ayan po guys yung river na pinanggagalingan ng swimming pool. The water from there coming from that side. Alright, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See, the river is there. From there. See the river. See the river? Oh my gosh, it's the river. Aray ko. See the river. Wow, as you can see. Voila guys, it's very refreshing, the cold weather here. Yeah. Hi ate. So the kids now, they swimming already. That's for the kids. And the hotel up there. See, the viewing deck is there. Oh yeah. Hi kids! Masarap maligo. Hi kuya. May wifi ka mo? Waray. Pero may signal it. Cellphone. Waray kaya. Hindi na bawal. Hi! Seryoso yarn. Oy, marunong lumangoy sila? Walang sounds. Asa na yung ano? Mantel. Ayan o, sa ilalim ng bag. Ayun ang, ito. Sa ilalim.
Kailangan ko yung mag-mantel.
Mantel. Ano ba ang mantel? Man.
No? Pang vlog mo to?
Hindi kay ano yung
Dapat kuwan.
Kanino?
Kita mo na lang saging.
si mama si Richard ay si Christian. Kala mo ah. Wala mo talaga ng video.
Lifeguard yan siya, lifeguard.
Tulog ko na, magagalit yan. Baka ito man yung sa ano.
Magalit siya sa akin? Sa akin talaga? Magalit ka na sa iba, wag sa akin.
Pakataan ng isa mo.
Oh, ito yung nagsuswimming na naka-lipstick. Tapos,
Uy, ano, tumayot kung lalaki.
Lalaki!
uyab naman, oh. Yo,
Eh!
Hey!
Mag-e-effort.
May natuyang!
Hen o, ano uyab?
Pangangagaw!
Ayaw na kita magbubol.